How to compose killer social media marketing posts in 2019 and 2020. Social media platforms are a powerful marketing tool. On social media, it is easier to find active users that are ready to engage with your content, and social media users, when engaged, are easier to qualify, capture, and convert. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to compose killer social media posts on top social media platforms in 2019 and 2020. Composing a killer marketing post on Facebook. Start on your Facebook business page and click on the Write a Post box to get started. Facebook marketing posts are best used to drive traffic to external pages or content. You can do this by teasing content with a brief statement followed by a call to action. You can create the statement by quoting a quote from the article or text in the destination URL. The intention is to drive curiosity. In this example, we are going to send people to one of our content pages, so we'll quote the article in the link. Then we are going to add a call to action to encourage users to click on the link to continue reading. You always have to link to an external URL where users have to take action. There are two methods to add a link to your Facebook marketing posts. The easiest method is by pasting the URL below the text. Facebook will automatically create a clickable link preview that will appear below the text and that users can click through. This link preview will pull the feature image in the destination URL and will insert it to the post. You can delete the text URL from the post after the link preview loads. The other method is by adding a shortened URL directly below the text. To shorten a URL, go to bit.ly in your browser, and then paste the URL in the Shorten Your Link field. Now click on the Shorten button. Click on the Copy button to copy the shortened URL and go back to Facebook. Now paste the shortened URL below the text. When you include a shortened URL in your post, you can replace the link preview with a branded image, video, or infographic. To do it, you simply have to delete the link preview by clicking on the X icon, and then clicking on the photo or video button to upload your branded image or video. You can click on Share Now or schedule your post after you upload your custom image or video. Composing a killer marketing post on Instagram. Instagram is a visual discovery platform, so before composing your post, you have to shoot a photo, to upload an image, or to record a video. To add media to a new post, simply tap the camera icon to take a picture or record a video. You can tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen to access the gallery and upload an image from your device. In this example, we're going to select the product image from our gallery. You can tap on Next after selecting an image to continue. You can edit your image or video by adding a filter and adjusting other settings. Use these settings to generate a branded look for all your posts. By using the same visual effect on all your posts, you will increase brand recall. You can tap on Next to continue after you finish editing your media. Now it is time to compose an Instagram marketing post. Instagram marketing posts are best used to generate engagement, reach, brand awareness, and product consideration. Instagram marketing posts don't follow a unique structure like on other social media channels. You just have to include your target keywords and search terms, a call to action if you're promoting an external URL, and hashtags. In this example, we'll start by composing a compelling caption where we target product keywords and search terms related to the product in our image. To increase curiosity, we are going to open our caption with a question, where we target a product keyword. Next, we are going to add a relevant search term and a description of the product that we are promoting. Now we're going to add a call to action to encourage users to visit the link in our bio to learn more about the product. Instagram won't allow you to insert external URLs to your marketing posts, so you have to add your links to your bio by going to your profile and pasting your landing page URL into the website field. This is the only placement where you can add a clickable URL on Instagram. Now it is time to add hashtags. Hashtags are used to increase discoverability. You can add up to 30 hashtags to an Instagram post, but we recommend you to add a maximum of 9 hashtags. Only add keywords that are relevant to your post as hashtags. Always make sure to research the best hashtags for each post. You can tap on Share when you are finished composing your new Instagram marketing post. Composing a killer marketing post on Twitter. Start on your Twitter profile and click on the tweet button to get started. Twitter marketing tweets are best used to generate engagement, to drive website visits and sales. In this example, we are going to show you how to create Twitter marketing posts to drive website visits and sales. Now, these types of marketing tweets are straightforward, and they only include a call to action, encouraging users to check content or promotion on a destination URL. First, type a brief description of the content or offer that you'll promote. In this example, we'll promote an article about a product, which contains a link to a sales page at the end. So we will start with the name of the product, followed by a product keyword, followed by a description of the product. Now we'll follow with a call to action to encourage users to check the article, and we'll insert the URL at the end. Now it is time to add an image, video, or GIF related to the content or offer. Click on the Add Photos or Videos button or on the Add a GIF button to upload media to your tweet. You can click on Tweet when you are finished composing your marketing tweet.